We have another severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Madison County, Delaware County, Randolph County, northern Henry County until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Matthews to 7 miles west of Muncie to near Anderson, moving east at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Muncie and Eaton around 11:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Albany, Parker City, and Selma around 11:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Farmland, Springport, Prairie Creek Reservoir, and Summit Lake State Park around midnight Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Winchester, Bridgettville, Lissettville, Blounsville, Union City, Saratoga, Modoc, and Lynn. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 227 and 252. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central and east central Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Henry, Madison, and Randolph.
Double header 2 days in a row. No, wait, 2 times. It's not in a row, but 2. Another severe thunderstorm warning. I'm betting this one's for us.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Shelby County, southern Hancock County, western Rush County, Gator County, Johnson County, northeastern Brown County, southwestern Henry County, southeastern Marion County, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Southport to Franklin to 10 miles east of Martinsville, moving east at 65 miles per hour.
Crap.
Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bogstown around 11:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Shelbyville, New Palestine, and Fairland around 11:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Marietta around midnight Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Geneva, Morristown, Manila, Arlington, Knighttown, St. Paul, Carthage, Waldron, Rushville, and Moscow. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 80 and 103. Interstate 74 between mile markers 98 and 125. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central, south central, and east central Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties in Indiana: Brown, Decatur, Hancock, Henry, Johnson, Marion, Rush, and Shelby.
That's 8 counties.
The severe thunderstorm